Are you a shutterbug looking to turn your passion into profit? Well, you're in luck. With stock photography, you can monetize your photos and earn passive income. In this video, I'll show you how to get started and make money with stock photography. From snapping the perfect shot to cashing in on your pics, I'll share my top tips and tricks to help you succeed in the world of stock photography. So, grab your camera and let's get started. First things first, what is stock photography? Simply put, it's a way for photographers to sell their photos to businesses, websites, and individuals who need visual content. And the best part, you can sell the same photo multiple times, making it a great way to earn passive income. Now, let's talk about the types of photos that sell well. Companies are always looking for high-quality images that are diverse, inclusive, and relevant to current trends. So, think about capturing photos that reflect the world we live in today. Next up, let's talk about the best stock photo websites to use. I recommend starting with popular platforms like Shutterstock, iStock, and Adobe Stock. They have a huge customer base and makes it easy to upload and manage your photos. Now, here's the part you've all been waiting for: how to make money. With stock photography, you can earn between 25 cents to $100 or more per photo download, depending on the platform and license type. It may not seem like a lot, but trust me, it adds up. To increase your earnings, focus on building a large portfolio using keywords and tags effectively and promoting your work on social media. And, of course, keep snapping those photos. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this helpful in getting started with stock photography. Remember, it's all about taking great photos, uploading them to the right platforms, and promoting your work. Happy snapping, and I'll see you in the next video.